Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your trading fee rebate voucher in Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is go ahead and open up Binance. Make sure your Binance app is up to date with the latest version. So once you've done that, go ahead and open up Binance. Then from here, we want to log into our account. Once you're logged in, we want to click on the three horizontal lines or click on our profile. Then from here, we need to look for the rewards hub. So it might be under shortcut, rewards hub. If it's not, go ahead and click on more services and search more services and type in rewards hub. There it is there, and then click into it. Now once you're here, you're going to see all your latest rewards and your vouchers. So if you got any trading fee rebate vouchers, they're going to be under my vouchers. So if we go ahead and click into my vouchers, if you've got the voucher code, we can go ahead and click on that voucher code, and then from here where it says enter code, enter that trading fee rebate voucher here and then claim a voucher. But do take note, each voucher code can only be claimed once per user. Once it's claimed, the reward cannot be reversed. And now these trading fee rebate vouchers give you a rebate on trading fees incurred during spot margin futures or NFT trading on Binance.